is Miss Karen, your English teacher. Today we're going to do this test, and after we're going to correct it together. I want you to begin by having a pencil ready with an eraser, and I want you to write your name now, write your name. Write the date now, write the date. And write your student number. At the end, we're going to correct the test and we're going to use an X for wrong and a check for right. But first, let's do the test. Test number 1. Write the number you hear Miss Karen say. Listen carefully and get ready to write the number. Do not spell the number. Just write it. A is 10. Alors, tu écris le numéro que tu as entendu, tu l'épelles pas. 10. 13. 13. 33. 33. 70. 70. 99. 99. Test number 2. Write the letter you hear Miss Karen say. Alors, tu vas écrire la lettre de l'alphabet. Écoute bien. A. A. E. E. I. I. G. G. J. J. If you have trouble, simply pause the video and take your time to answer the questions. Let's continue now to test number 3, based on the throw catch wrap. Choose from these words. Alors, tu choisis parmi ces mots-là. I, a soccer ball. Will catch it. Can you? 2, 3. Are you? My hands very steady. If you need more time, simply stop the video right here. When you're done, continue to test number 4. The verb to be. Choose from these words. Is, am, are, is, are. And place them in the right spots. I, cute. You, strong. He, amazing. This food, delicious. We, in English class. If you need more time, just stop the video and take your time to fill in the answers. When you're done, you can continue to test 5, which is all about adjectives, nouns, verbs, and other things. Choose from these words. Are, before, white, these, mangoes. These are, and write the word that you think should go here. This is soy milk. These, delicious raisins. Another word here are quinoa cookies. The adjective comes, the noun. Let's go now to test number 6. The verb to have. Choose from these words. Has, have, has, have. I, an apple. You, a banana. He, healthy tofu. They, 3 pencils. She, an English test. When you're done, you should continue on to test number 7, which says, write Miss Karen a letter about your family, things you have, and like. Remember, capital letters and periods. Ça veut dire les lettres majuscules et les points à la fin. Spelling, proper verb tense, adjectives before nouns, and follow the instructions. Begin your letter like this. Dear Miss Karen. Et là, tu vas m'écrire des phrases. Pause the video here and write your sentences. When you're done, it's time to correct the test. Remember, to get a different color, it can be a blue pen or a red pen, not your pencil anymore. That should be aside. Remember, when you correct, you put an X for wrong and a check for right. Here are the answers. Miss Karen said 10, 13, 33, 70, 99. Remember to put a check mark if it's right and an X if it's wrong. Count your check marks and put the total here. If you got all 5 right, put the number 5 here. If you got 4 right, put the number 4. And so on. Test 2. Write the letter you hear Miss Karen say. Well, Miss Karen said A, E, I, G, and J. Remember to put an X for wrong and a check for right. Count your total and put your total on the line. Write neatly. Let's correct test number 3. I have a soccer ball. Will you catch it? Can you count to 3? Are you ready? My hands are very steady. Remember to put an X for wrong and a check for right. Write your total on the line. Now we're going to do the verb to be. I am cute. And am is spelled A-M. You are strong. He is amazing. This food is delicious. We are in English class. Count the total that you got correct and put the total on the line. Adjectives, nouns, verbs, etc. Number 1. These are yellow mangoes. 2. This is white soy milk. 3. These are delicious raisins. 4. These are quinoa cookies. 5. The adjective comes before the noun. Remember, when you correct, you have to put an X for wrong and a check for right. Count your total of check marks and put that on the line. Next is test number 6, the verb to have. You are supposed to choose from these words. I have an apple. You have a banana. He has healthy tofu. They have 3 pencils. She has an English test. Count the amount of check marks that you have and write the total here on the line. Fantastic! For this next part, Miss Karen will correct it. You do not need to correct it. Miss Karen will do it. Don't write here. However, here are some examples that you could have written. You were supposed to write about your family, things you have and like. I have a nice family. I have a brother and a big brother and a little sister. So here you have some adjectives before the noun. Big brother and little sister. I don't have any pets, but I would like to have a small dog. Here's another example of something that is this person's favorite. My favorite color is blue. My favorite season is summer. My favorite fruit is blueberries. I like to play hockey and do gymnastics. I also like to sing, dance, and play the violin. Notice the periods at the end of all these sentences. Doink, 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 doink. And remember that you were supposed to use capital letters, which is what's done here. Capital letter, and again at the beginning of this sentence, capital letter. Remember that the word I is always a capital letter, even in the middle of a sentence. That's something that people forget often. I hope you had fun doing the test and correcting the test. If you had trouble, simply do the test over again. You can do it at home as often as you like. You can practice it. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.